Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Children Academy. In this video, we are going to be talking about CSS 2D transforms. So it says the CSS transform property applies a 2D or 3D transformation to an element. This property allows you to rotate, scale, move, and skew elements. Mouse over the element below to see the 3D. So we'll do our own example. So we have 2D rotate, CSS 2D transforms function. With the CSS transform property, you can use the following 2D transformation functions. We have translate, we have rotate, we have scale X, we have scale Y, we have scale, we have skew X, we have skew Y, we have normal skew, and we have matrix. So let's move to the next part. So this aspect, we are doing the CSS translate and rotate function. So the CSS translate function moves an element from its current position according to the parameter given for the x-axis and the y-axis. The following example moves the div element 50 pixels to the right and 100 pixels down from its current position. So this is the translate. Then we also have the rotate property. The rotate function rotates an element clockwise or counterclockwise according to a given degree. The following example rotates the div element clockwise, that is with 20 degree. So we have example, the normal rotate with 20 degree, and we have the other one, which is counterclockwise. So let's firstly create example around translate. So first thing first, let's do with our H1. They will say the translate, yeah, method. Hey, method. Then inside this method, would have a p tag, and it will say the translate method moves an element from its current position. So that's that for that. For that. Now we'll come here. We have a div. Inside this div, we'll say this div element is moved with 50 pixels to the right and 100 pixels down from its current position. Now let's style it. We'll come here. Let's come to our div. We'll say div. And inside this div, what are we doing? We are giving it width of 150 pixel, 150 pixel. We are giving it height of 150 pixel, 150 pixel, 150 pixel. Then as well, we are giving it background color, which will be yellow. We are giving it border of 1 pixel solid black, 1 pixel solid, 1 pixel solid black. And they say okay. Then now this is where our work comes in. We give it transform. Inside our transform, we'll give it translate, which is 50 pixel and 100 pixel. Now let's check it out. Okay, this is all that things are done. Now, can you see our rotate? This div element moved 15 pixel to the right and 10 pixel down from its normal position. If we not use translate, let's see what it will give us. This is the normal one without translate. But now when we included the translate, what did we get? Ctrl Z. Now let's check it out. So this is what we got in the translate. So that is that for the translate. And we can also give it, the next one we have is the rotate function. The rotate function, like we said, is a clockwise or counterclockwise. So let's work around that. We'll come here, we'll say H1, the rotate, inside the rotate, give a method. Then after that, we'll give it a p tag, and we'll say the rotate method rotate an element clockwise. clockwise or counterclockwise. Then after that, we'll also create a div. Inside this div, we'll say this is a normal div element. Then after that, what are we going to do? Elements, thank you. Then after that, what are we going to do? We're also going to give it a div. And inside this div, we'll say this div element is rotated clockwise 20 degree. Now we'll give this one ID, which will be div, or we can say my div. Now let's style it out. We have to remove this translate, so it's not affect what we've done. Then we'll comment this one to out. Then now we can now style our div. Inside div, we're giving it width of 150 pixel. We're also giving it height of 150 pixel. We are giving it background color. Then we can come here. We say background color, which is yellow. We are giving it yellow too. And we are giving it border, which is 1 pixel solid black. Yes, good. Now, that is for the div. Now, let's come and start my div. Inside my div, what are we doing? Oh, it's ash. Inside my div, what are we giving it? So this is where we're going to make use of transform. Transform, which will be rotate. Inside, we want to have 20 degree. So that is that about that. Now let's check it out. So can you see our degree? That is clockwise. And if we want it in anti-clockwise, what are we going to do? Just put a minus. And let's say, so can you say this is anti-clockwise? So that is that for the translate and the rotate function. I hope you understand everything I taught in this 2D. We have more examples that we'll show in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at Tech Academy. See you next time. Bye.